What's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Anything RC, and today we're going to check out what's in the TYPHON 1A brushed buggy. They say it goes 30 miles an hour. It's a 4x4 buggy. It's got a 12-turn motor in it. Let's open it up and see what comes inside the box. Alright, I like the green. Look at that there, boys. That's a nice color. It's a nice truck for 220. Alright, so you're gonna get your radio. Let's see what we got going on here for the radio. We're doing the Spectrum. We have the STX2. And you're also gonna get a set of tools in there with it. Some stickers. So if you're running 3 or 4S, actually this doesn't run 3 or 4S. I'm sure this just runs a nickel battery, or you could run 2S in it. So that's what's inside. Let's check underneath the hood here. Yeah, you got your nickel battery there, your 12-turn motor. This is your drive line here for the 4-wheel drive system. Your ESC steering servo. Thank you guys for watching. It's Ryan with Anything RC. You guys have a great day.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.